The Royal Navy has revealed that the construction of its first in the series of 8 Type 26 frigates is sufficiently complete for the Navy to begin assigning sailors to the vessel. As informed, half a dozen sailors have joined HMS Glasgow under construction in her namesake city to begin turning a lifeless hull into the world's most advanced submarine hunter. HMS Glasgow is the first of an initial batch of 3 ships all named after great UK cities, followed by HMS Cardiff and Belfast. Operating from Devonport Naval Base, the Type 26s will be equipped with bow and towed array sonars, plus carry a Wildcat or Merlin helicopter for submarine hunting missions. A 5 inches gun and vertical launch missile silo, plus an adaptable mission bay will provide the offensive punch and capability of the frigates. Glasgow is currently on the hard standing at BAE Systems Yard in Govan, where shipwrights, technicians and engineers are completing the hull and superstructure. The Trailblazers will produce the ship's operator's manual, determining how HMS Glasgow will be run, its routines, systems, and sensors to make it an effective fighting force when the ship enters service later this decade. HMS Glasgow is the first Type 26 frigate to be built for the United Kingdom's Royal Navy. The Type 26 class will partially replace the Navy's 13 Type 23 frigates and will be a multi-mission warship designed to support anti-submarine warfare, air defense and general-purpose operations. The next generation of Royal Navy warships are under construction, and crews have already hopped aboard to get accustomed to them and to suggest improvements. However, while the new Type 26 frigates will be a formidable replacement for existing Type 23 frigates, such as the Plymouth-based HMS Montrose, that tried to stop UK flag tanker being seized by in the Gulf, it will be years before they can assuage fears that the Royal Navy is now too small, with too few ships. HMS Glasgow, the first of the new Type 26 frigates, which will all be based in Plymouth, is slowly taking shape in a huge shed on the banks of the River Clyde in Glasgow. And while Royal Navy top brass have already stood inside her shell at Govan Shipyard, future crews have also had a chance to familiarize themselves with new ship, albeit with a virtual version. Steve Timms, head of naval ships at BAE who are building the first batch of 8 Type 26 frigates, told The Express, the Type 26 is the first significant warship program to depart from the tradition to design ships with drawings. Instead, cutting-edge digital modeling has been used that allows engineers to walk through a digital version of the vessel by simply wearing 3D glasses, reports The Express. This makes easier for engineers and designers to find problems and solve them before the ships go to production. It also lets future crews virtually hop on the frigate to get accustomed to it and suggest any improvements. And shipyard workers can plan how they will physically build the vessels, getting to know each detail and component by simply navigating the virtual ship. This system has played a big part in selling the design abroad, said Mr. Timms. We've had visits from foreign navies and they can see the benefits of being able to change things quickly and to their own specifications. Type 26 Program Director Nadia Savage said the 3D model sold the vessels as, unlike a paper model, it allows customers to have a realistic idea of what they are to buy once the 2 parts are joined on the slipway outside the shed. The main mast and bridge section will be lifted into place, and the mostly complete frigate will be taken downstream for fitting out at BAE's yard on the north bank of the Clyde at Scotstoun. All of which is a couple of years off. For now, Vice Admiral Chris Gardner wanted to see how far Glasgow had progressed in his new role as Chief of Material, Ships, at the Defence Equipment and Support Organization, the arm of the MOD which oversees new projects and programs and provides engineering and technical support to existing military kit. Vice Admiral Chris Gardner said, "You can now stand inside a Type 26 as the zones come together and get a real sense of HMS Glasgow as she takes shape." However, Peter Sandman, founder of lobby group Save the Royal Navy, says the first Type 26 frigate will not enter service until 2027.